Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I will show you how to download Scratch 2.0 in Windows. To download Scratch 2.0, you want to go to Chrome and search Scratch 2 and click on this link. Once you click on this link, you can download Scratch 2.0. Before that, we want to download this. It didn't take more time. Once this opens, you can agree it, press yes and click on finish. Once it's done, we can now download Scratch 2.0. Now it will take more time. Okay friends, it's been downloaded. Now we can go and check. Here's it, and we can click on continue. Click on yes. I think it will take more time. Yes, it will take more time. Okay friends, it didn't take more time and it is installed. In Scratch we can do is coding and place blocks in here. This is blocks and we can do interesting things like this. You can create your own activities or you can make your activities from here. And these two are customized sections: data and more blocks. And we can put our own face and backgrounds in here. So thank you friends for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel and wish you good luck. Bye.